Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where you can find your API key on ZappyConnect platform and how you can use this to resell our service on your website or become a reseller on another platform. So let's get started.
So guys, I'm right here on my screen right now, and in order for us to get our API key from the ZappyConnect platform, the first thing we need to do is to log into our account. And to do that, we just need to go to our browser. So I'm going to be using a Chrome browser for this tutorial. So I want to click on my browser over here. So I'm going to click on my browser over here, and once I click on it, it's going to open up, and then I'm going to go to this website, ZappyConnect.com. So I'm going to go to ZappyConnect's website. So as you can see, here's the home page of ZappyConnect. So we're going to log in into our account. Now if you don't have an account, make sure that you sign up by clicking on the sign up button over here. And if you do have an account, you can just click on the login button over here. Now for those who does not have an account, we have created a video on how you can create an account on our YouTube channel. So make sure you actually go and watch that video and register on ZappyConnect.com. So we're going to log in by clicking on the login button over here, and then we'll be taken to the login page. So now I'm going to provide my username and my password. So once I provide my username and my password, I'm going to click on the I am not a bot over here, and then I'm going to click on the sign up button over here. So now I've successfully logged into my account. So what I'm going to do next now is to locate the API page where I'm going to get my API key for my business. So for those who want to resell the ZappyConnect services, you will need an API key in order to access the platform so that your orders can be sent to us and we'll fulfill those orders for you. So what you're going to do next is to go to this profile link over here. You're going to do the drop down. You click on the drop down, and then you're going to go to API settings over here. Now once you go to API settings, you'll be able to see the API key over here. So you can see all the necessary information and the details for your API key, right? And then you can use this to program your own website. Now, if you do not know how you can create your own reseller website, I'm going to be creating another video on how to do that. So stay tuned and subscribe to our YouTube channel in order to get notified when I drop that video. So now, here are the informations for your API key. Now, this over here is the API key. All you just need to do is to copy it. And head to your website or the platform you want to resell our services on, and then you paste it over there, and you can get a developer to develop this for you, and you can successfully sell our services on your own platform. So I hope you got value from this video. So don't forget to subscribe, drop a like, and drop a comment if you have any question you'd like to ask, and I'll see you on the next one.